The topic is test statistic. Okay, see, statistic means a sample constant. Okay, sample constant. Okay, that is a sample mean and sample variance, like that. Okay, so the test statistic means, this whole term test statistic means it is the function of sample observation. Okay, function of sample observation. Sample observation. Okay, see this this test statistic is a variable. Okay, variable or random variable. Because this test this test statistics is a function of sample observation. So sample observation will vary. Okay, will vary from a sample to sample. Okay, so this one also will vary. So the test statistic is a variable or random variable. Okay, our general formula is test statistic is equal to statistic minus parameter. Okay, divided by SC. Okay, SC means standard error. Okay, standard error of statistic. Standard error of statistic. Okay, so this is the general formula of test statistic. Okay, so uh, see in the uh, in the procedure I told that the third step we will select the test statistic. Okay, so how we will select? We will select based on, okay, we will select test statistic based on based on nature of variable. Okay, based on nature of variable, and then sample size. Samples. Okay, so mainly we will choose the statistic based on variable and sample size. Okay, for example, if n, okay, if sample size is greater than 30. Okay, and for single mean like that. Okay, it's not equal to mu 30. Okay, so like the single mean, see a single mean. So see like the single mean. Okay, here only single mean. Okay, so for single mean and the sample size is 30 above, 30 above, we will go for Z. We will go Z statistic. Okay, if there is two mean. Okay, if there is two mean like that, x0 is equal to mu1 is equal to mu2, like that. Okay, two mean, we will go for Z statistic. Okay, and if sample size is less than or equal to 30. Okay, and for single mean or two mean, we will go for T statistic. Okay,